Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have hardware ready. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it. Make sure the Chromecast shows its setup screen on the TV. On your Chromebook, connect to the same Wi-Fi network as the Chromecast. This is required for discovery and smooth streaming. Once connected, open Chrome and click the cast icon in the toolbar or choose Settings Cast. That first action tells your Chromebook to search the local network and begin the secure pairing handshake with the Chromecast device. Once the Chromecast appears, select what to send: a single tab for a single app window or cast desktop to mirror everything. You do that via the little arrow next to the device name. It switches source types. Choose a higher resolution only if your network and Chromebook can handle it, because higher bitrate increases latency. If you need to play local video files, use Cast File or open them in Chrome first. That uses browser decoding and avoids audio sync problems. Make sure sound routes to the TV. When you're done, stop casting from the cast icon or simply close the mirrored tab. That cleanly ends the session and frees network resources. If video lags or audio is missing, make sure Chromebook volume isn't muted, the TV is on the correct HDMI input, and both devices have good Wi-Fi signal. Weak Wi-Fi causes buffering. If problems persist, restart the Chromecast by unplugging power and reboot your Chromebook. This resolves most connection and subnet mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.